Hello everyone! Welcome to my Waffle Flower Crafts July 2019 release and review video. My previous video using one of the sets and dies is already up. I'll link to it as always. And there's also a blog hop and all that stuff. So let's just hop right into showing off all the key things. So there's this little mini set. This is the Favorite Hobby, which already I'm like, I'm just probably going to make something to stick right in my office. Like a little, I think it would be cute to make a little display card or whatever. Cause yeah, I make cards, but my favorite hobby is collecting art supplies, stamps, colorful things. And then you've got a stack of washi tapes, little paint, brushes, a little wooden stamp, little brushes. It's just cute. It's a cute little set. I just love it. And if you get the combo sets, like the set with the dies, they come in the waffle flower vinyl packaging, which I just love. So yeah, there's a coordinated little die set that will die cut out all little images, as well as two little rectangle dies that'll cut out the two plain parts of the sentiment. So love that always. So we've got that one, and then more absolutely amazing floral images. Ugh. So this is the ZINNIA set. I think this is a 5x7 set. Huge floral stamp, which I just love. Here's an A2 piece to give you an idea of how big it is. It's big. I like it. Any large florals, add it to my collection. So yeah, really funky sentiments as well, very hand-drawn. I'm thinking these would be fun to do almost like a graffiti style, without even using the flowers, just to use these cards for teenagers and stuff, because just the way they're done, I think that would be really fun. So yeah, you can build a nice little bouquet. There's coordinating dies as well for this set. Love. I really wanted to use this one, and there's another floral one, of course, but it all, yeah, makes sense in the end. So then there's the Sisterhood stamp set, and then the die set. My brain just stopped. I forget the name of the die set. I'll have it right here. This coordinates with the previous release, so now there's more. So you can build more little characters, which I love. So you have little color pieces. There's individual actual faces, the neck and shoulders, funky little glasses, more hair options. Several more hair options. Aren't these fun? So fun. Little different tops. See? And then yeah, different size face shapes. So yeah, this coordinates with the previous release, and I'll have those listed and linked as well, just so you know if you haven't had them. But yeah, you can build all these fun little people. I love it. I love it. So this comes as, you can get this as a combo, you can get just the die set, just the stamp set, etc. But you can get the combo of the die set and then the Sisterhood sentiment set. So Miss Your Face, Time with You is Better Than Therapy, Besties for Life, No One Knows You Like a Sister, etc. So yeah, love our little talks. You Were My Person, you know, just really great all around sentiments. And then these dies are just fun. Just to be able to kind of customize it and yet do some kind of quirky little characters and whatnot. I think it's so much fun. So, and also FYI, if you weren't aware, the vinyl packaging has a separate section. So you have the stamp set in the front, you have all the dies in the back, and then since they started repackaging everything, I'm pretty sure all of their die sets come with their own little white magnetic backer too. Some of my sets have them, some don't, because I get stuff sent to me ahead of time in that. So sometimes I have it, sometimes I don't, whatevs. But yeah, it just makes ease of packaging. So got that one. And then we have the gorgeous Bouquet Builder 4, which I of course have 1, 2, and 3. So here's Bouquet Builder 4. Beautiful, just beautiful. So you can stamp them all. There's a coordinating die set, so then you can die cut and actually build your bouquet, hence the name. So you got the leaves and the flowers and buds and all that. It's just, and another nice size too. So, you know, use these, build your little bouquet, add a sentiment, card is done. 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 Love. So Bouquet Builder 4 and the coordinating wafer dies. And then we have another one by Camo. This is the Bonjour set. Again, coordinating stamp set. Coordinating wafer dies that will die cut the set as well as the word, which I love. So yeah, you got your little characters. Love this little like storefront or house, just cute, you know, or it could be a little cafe because you've got your little like cafe tables. You can, you know, so you can use all that to build your scene in the background. Then you got your little characters, which are bigger than some of the other one Camo's done, which I just think is really cute. I like the style of these. They're just fun. There's your little like wine glass and bottle of wine and a little like coffee cup. Love it. Love it. 2 different sizes of Eiffel Tower, depending on the scene you're creating. Super, super cute. So that one and the coordinating wafer dies. There is also this absolutely gorgeous, this is by, like, for the Big Bear and Word, or Big Bear and Bird line. I've got this gorgeous, this is the Fall Dreams. This is bigger than A2 sized, just so you can see. So you could stamp it and completely cover an A2 card without the border. If you want to include it with the border, it comes to, it's 4.5 by 5 3/4. So you could do it like, you know, layer it really nicely on a 5 by 7 card as well, or just make it a larger card. And then you've got 3 sentiments. Hello, love, thinking of you. Like, so cute. In the end, yeah, there's like little characters kind of hidden here. The glasses from the Big Bear, little paintbrush, coffee mug. Like, it's just cute how some of these images are just kind of snuck right in there. So there's the stamp set, and then the coordinating die set die cuts out the sentiments as well as the center area. Oh, there's Big Bear. There's Big Bear. He's hiding right in the corner. Ha! Cute. So yeah, the wafer dies cut out the center area of this, so you can use that as kind of like, you could pop it up and then have your sentiments on the inside, or, you know, stamp another little Big Bear character, whoever, and have them like peeking out in the middle too. So super, super cute. Absolutely love it. I think it's adorable. So we've got that one. And then we have the, which one is this? I can't see the actual name. Fun in the Sun. More little mice characters. So, yeah, I really like that little waterfall. That's adorable. All of it's adorable. Look at these little characters, little turtle and the pineapple. Oh, so cute. A little toucan. Oh, he's adorable. So yeah, all your little mice literally having fun in the sun. There is a coordinating die set for all of the images. So you can build all your little scenes. There's a little surfboard. They can be surfing. Seriously, how adorable is this? This is so cute. I just love it. So that. And then last but not least of the stamps is the Oversized Merry stamp set, which is the one I did my cards with because I just, So yeah, large Merry word, so you can have it go Merry and Bright, Merry Christmas, Merry everything, or Merry and Bright with the large one. Snowflakes, can never have too many snowflake stamps. That has always been my mantra. And yeah, it's huge. I love the size of this word. I thought about like heat embossing it and then just doing like, you know, ink blending or watercolor resist, anything like that would look gorgeous. There is a wafer die with the word that is, it's not meant to cut out the word, it's like a standalone die. Like, is that not awesome how big that is? And that is what I use to create my cards, which I'll have linked. I did Christmas and July cards. All gold and black and white because I'm still obsessed with that combo. So yeah, this one is, they're all favorites. I have a hard time every month kind of choosing what to create with, and then never enough time to create with absolutely everything. Love it, love it, love it. So that is the Oversized Merry, and it's beautiful. And then there was a bunch of background or like card based dies that were released. So we have the vertical stripes, which I got from white, which is kind of boring, but I don't have time to do other ones. Plus I was like, ooh, I can sponge these different colors. So these are all A2 size, like exactly 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So they will like completely cover the background, which now I'm thinking this piece is not exactly, it is slightly smaller than 4. Anyway, it's close enough. But yeah, so the vertical one cuts all the strips. So if you die cut it from like full size pieces of cardstock, you end up getting, you get 6 backgrounds basically with that, and then just alternate how you would adhere them onto your card base. So yeah, and yes, you could technically just trim pieces yourself, but I've always preferred, I like the pressure cut edge of wafer dies. It's just so much cleaner than a paper cutter, and it just looks nicer. Like it gives it something. So then yeah, I can sponge these different colors, arrange them onto my card base, glue them down, and you're good to go. Or they'll also work as really nice sentiment strips too, depending on what you're doing. So there's the vertical stripes one, and then there is the, let me get, I'm like making a mess. And then I have the horizontal stripes. Same idea, just this time they're horizontal. An exact same idea. It'll die cut all of your strips, and you can arrange them in any coordination, or you can, you know, sponge them different colors, do them in rainbow order, etc. So I think these are really fun. So there's those ones. And then we have the Cloudscape, I think that's how it is called, Cloudscape panel. So again, A2 size, and it will die cut your frame. So you got a frame. This is like this 3rd or 4th scene that Waffle Flowers released, like wafer die like this. There's other ones. So you have your frame that has like just that piece. And then what you could do is create whatever color of ground you want, either do different color cardstock or again, sponge different colors, and you can inlay that in there. And then you have all the pieces for the clouds. And same thing, like you can sponge these, cut them from different colors and layer them, stagger them. I was like, ooh, these would also make really nice little like stencils, just because of the way they're shaped. They're just kind of different. So I was like, ooh, you could like sponge ink, like, you know, use them and then, or cut them from masking paper and then like create stencils. So great little way to create a fun and quick little scene. So there was that one. And I have like pieces everywhere. And then there is the shutters panel background. I really like all these ones because they're very basic. So again, this will cover the card front. I love like tone on tone. Like if I had a white card base, I would put, you know, the white panel. So it gives it that little extra something, but it's very basic. And then, you know, put flowers over it or whatever characters you want. Or you could have characters peeking out and create a whole little scene, do different colors for the inlay, whatever. Like, options are limitless. Love it. So that was the shutters panel. And then there's 2 grid backgrounds. There's that one. That is the microgrid 2, and we have microgrid 1. There we go. So microgrid 1, again, my instinct is always to do like tone on tone, but you can back it with any sort of color. You could inlay it with different little pieces. You could just die cut it as is and then only inlay with like some of the pieces you die cut with different colors and like create little like images into it if you want, you know, sky's the limit. So that was the first one, and then the microgrid 2 just has the few. It's the same idea. Kind of just depends on the options. So really fun. And then last but not least, yes, here it is. It's hiding underneath everything else. I have the circle texture one, and it literally die cuts just the stitching circles. I don't know, there's something about that. And again, I just want to do tone on tone with it. I love how it adds just texture and, you know, depth and whatnot to a card, but without having anything crazy. But you totally could like color in each circle you know, really add some definition. I know one of their design team members took all these little images and then like lined them up in the middle of each one, which I thought was brilliant, and then added a sentiment. Like, so many ideas. So many ideas. Love it. So, that was the Waffle Flower July 2019 release, and my random thoughts and ideas with things. I will have links, as always, in the description box below the video. I'll have a link to the previous video, because that's part of the blog hop. All that. Check my description box below. Stay tuned. I have more videos and posts and giveaways and all that stuff coming. There is a giveaway in the blog hop one as well, so check that out. And yeah, that's it for me for the moment. Stay tuned. I'll be back very soon with another video. And thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing and thumbs upping and commenting. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all very soon in the next one.